right, let's do a little demonstration of how this coffee grinder works. I am going to have it set all the way to the most coarse setting, but you can set it all the way from coarse to fine. There are different levels. Pop the top off, and then you pour in your coffee beans. I'll just do some to give you an idea of how this thing works. All right. Pop this back on, and then you are ready to grind. All right, so that's just a few rounds. You can see some grounds in the bottom there, so I'll keep going. Everything's starting to smell really good. And yeah, so I've got my beans ground now. Just take this off. And there you go. I was actually grinding some dandelion root before this, so that's what you see in there a little bit. That's why there's some lighter flecks. So if you're going to be grinding different things between it, you definitely want to clean it out and make sure that you don't have any residue from previous things that you were grinding. But yeah, that is how you use this coffee grinder, and works really well.